Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to reverse on CapCut. So let's continue. So guys, you can see I just quickly recorded a clip in a game that I have, and let's say I want to reverse that point in this clip where I'm cutting through this hair. So how would I do that? First, what you want to do is go to the start of the clip you would like to reverse. So here, and click on edit and then click on split. So yeah, and then go to the end of my clip and click edit again and then click on split. Then go ahead and delete the parts of the clip behind it, in front of it. Delete. So now also delete. And guys, you can also delete the CapCut ending here too if you want. And then actually reverse your clip. What you want to do is tap on the loop part and scroll all the way over until you see the reverse button. So here is the reverse button and click on it. And then you can see it's just like that, and it's very simple, and that's how you can reverse videos on CapCut. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.